Standard third. Subject EVS. Lesson number 19. My School. Part 2. In the first part, we learnt about olden days schools, changes in school, and about great leaders and fun outdoor games. Now, in this session, we are going to learn about the personal and public hygiene, facilities in schools, and about discipline. Our national anthem was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He had started a school in Bolpur in Bengal. The school was held in the midst of green trees, colorful flowers, creeping birds under the blue sky. The school was called Shanti Niketan. Children loved that school very much. Mahatma Gandhi also worked hard to change Indian society. He laid stress on the dignity of labor and on learning by doing. Maulana Azad. Maulana Azad was the first education minister of independent India. He firmly believed that science and technology must be included in curriculum. The 11th of November, the date of his birth, is observed all over the country as National Education Day. We learn many new things in school. We recite poem, sing song, and draw pictures. We also get to play in school. We play kho-kho, kabaddi, and also lazim in school. We must go to school regularly. Going to school on time teaches us punctuality. In school, we learn how to keep ourselves clean. We also learn the importance of keeping the public places clean. Personal and public hygiene helps to keep us healthy. Personal hygiene means taking care of our body, such as bathing, washing your hands, brushing your teeth, and many more. Public hygiene means keeping your surrounding clean and also keeping yourself safe from disease in public places. Hygiene means maintaining good health through cleanliness and keeping yourself clean and safe. We all like our school very much. A school has facilities like a library, playground, and computer lab, which we all use. Everyone should be able to use these facilities. We should follow certain rules while using these facilities. Books borrowed from the library should be returned on time. We should follow certain rules while using these facilities. We should wait in queue. We should not tear or damage the pages of the books. We must keep the walls and benches in the classroom clean. We should be in discipline and follow the school rules. We should be brave, smart, and loving child of the school. There can be fight between two friends, but that can be solved. Teacher can help you to solve the problem. Resolving the fight peacefully is a good way. Also, it helps us to solve the problem in our society. If there is any problem in our society, you can solve it peacefully. Are there any children in your area who do not attend school and work with their parents or beg on road? Education is very important. Each child must get the opportunity to attend school. In school, we learn rules, discipline, reading, writing, we play with friends and make lots of fun. We learn singing, dancing, and many other things. Each and every child should go to school. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.